Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make aglio e olio. So for ingredients, let's check them out. So it's very simple ingredients, simple taste. What you need is spaghetti. We have about 300 grams, 2 cloves of garlic, and extra virgin olive oil. So now let's get to cooking. First step, you want to boil water for your pasta, for your spaghetti, and then the next one you want to add 5 to 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil. Put your stove on a medium low, and then 5 to 6 tablespoons olive oil. We're using 6. And then while your pan's still cold, you want to crush about 2 garlic. If you guys want more garlic, go ahead, you can add a little bit more. Just stir this and let it cook with the medium low until the pasta is ready. When your water is boiling, just add salt, and then you can add the pasta. Let it cook for about 8 minutes and a half. Check your instruction in the package, how much time it takes about to make it al dente, and then just try it 30 seconds before. You want to stir your oil a couple of times. Once again guys, you gotta make sure you put it on a medium low or even low heat. You can add a little bit of pasta water if you don't want to make your garlic burn. Just add a little bit. So it's gonna prevent the garlic to be burned. So after your pasta is done, turn off the heat and just remove your pasta. And then just mix it until all emulsify. Add a little bit more pasta water and then bring the heat to medium high. When everything is emulsified, turn off the heat, stir for about 30 seconds. And we're gonna serve it in a plate. Alright guys, so this is the final versions. So I served this with the black pepper and crushed chili on top. So let's give it a try. Okay, so now my thoughts on this dish. So in my opinion, if you like garlic, then you're gonna love this. But if you don't like garlic, you're not gonna love this. So yes, in my opinion, I like it because I do like garlic. And in the end of the day, this is very simple dish. This is good considering you only need 2 ingredients, which is garlic and extra virgin olive oil. So yes, if you're in a rush, you need quick meal, this is your options. So give it a try, So that's it for today's video guys. If you like this video, please give us a like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.